Well, I'm hoping this is focusing on me. I'm not 100% sure. Anyways, today we're looking at this. This is a product from a company called Terrasabe. Terrasabe. I might not be pronouncing this right, but it's like a home. I I don't even know what you want to call them. A terrarium. I think that's it. My hair is all crazy today. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter at all. Anyways, I wanted you guys to see this because you know what? If you're into some home home style um plants that you don't have to look after, which is exactly what I would want. This could be very cool. Now, this is a home-based business company. And they have a Facebook page, which I'll put down in the link below. You guys can go check them out if you so choose. And um, this is the box. Kind of a cool box. It's very homemade, right? Like I like that actually. It feels like it came out of someone's house. Now this one here is got a crazy amount of take on it. You do have their little logo there, Terrasab. They don't have, as far as I can tell, like an actual um website. It is strictly just a Facebook page. And the real fun of this, now I don't know if this is how you get them all the time, but the fun of this, of course, is the unboxing side of it because there is more tape on here than I have ever seen, I think, in my entire life. But that's okay, right? It's better for this to um, survive than not. So I'll be back once I have it untaped. I think I'm gonna go about this a different way, was what I think. I think this seems like I should be able to just, oh, I did find the top. I think I found the top. It's right there. So we just need to how to go get through the sides here. Oh, golden. Very nice. Okay, so very well padded, which is great. And it is fragile, so I'm gonna bring it down here for a second. I don't want to break anything. Very well, like like I said, padded, so you shouldn't have any issues with this making it to your home. Yes? And I don't even know which one this is, but I am excited because again, these are supposed to be like plants that you can kind of just leave them and they kind of feed themselves, right? They just kind of they don't need to be watered all the time or anything like that, which I think is very cool if you're setting this up for your business. You have it in the office, you have it in the house. You want a plant, but you're like me, and we're like, yep, I'll kill a plant. So this could definitely um remedy that, I guess. Anyways, again, on their Facebook, it's not as if they have a store that I could find, but really what it is this company, they kind of get them growing, and then they'll put it up on their Facebook for whoever kind of wants to have that one, right? So this, you can see it came with paper towel, which is still wet for the actual delivery, you know, and you just, I guess, take all this out because if not, you just have a jar with um, paper towel in it. Oh, look at that! Do you guys see that? Check that out. You guys see that? Isn't that cool? Yes, right? And then I'm guessing because you want to keep the humidity in, is what my guess is. You just put that on there. Yes, sir. That's kind of nice, hey? Isn't that pretty? I think so. Anyways, just so you guys can see it too, right up here. Right? There it is. Look at that. Uh-huh. 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 So they do make a whole bunch of different ones for this, which is cool. So depending on your kind of needs design wise, I would just subscribe possibly to their Facebook page, like it or whatever you have to do. So they kind of it looks like when they're ready to be purchased, because I'm guessing these take a while. Um, then they just kind of put them on their Facebook page, and you can say I would like that one. And if you're the first person, I'm guessing, then you can have that one. If not, then you wait for the next one. Yep. Anyways, very cool. Very cool indeed. This, I'm not exactly sure where it's going to go, but I like it. I like it quite a bit, actually. Very cool. All right. Links down below if you guys are interested in checking this company out and these. Yeah, very neat. All right, guys, I'm out. Later.